One of the biggest challenges when working with multiple clients is context switching. I might finish a task for one client and then need their feedback before I can continue. And sometimes that feedback takes hours and sometimes takes several days. So in the meantime, I'm working on completely different projects, making different decisions and handling a lot of unrelated information. So when I return to the original project, it's easy to forget a detail or mix up information between clients, and I don't want to depend on a long AI conversation remembering everything either. So that's why I created these two skills, which is session handoff and session resume. The idea is pretty simple. When I finish a specific task on a project, I execute session handoff here. And the skill is pretty simple. It's like saving all the structure checkpoint, okay, of the current Claude Code session into the project directory, which is Claude Handoffs. I do this before clear or compact because I want to save everything in detail. And after that, I execute the clear command, and then imagine I want to retake the same session in 2 days, in 3 days, then I execute this other skill, which is session resume. The idea is to load the latest saved session checkpoint, as I'm going to show you for example, in a real project, and I'm doing it. So for example, I have this project. As I told you before, in the directory Claude, then handoffs, I have here everything. So for example, I was saving all these checkpoints, no? And the title is pretty simple, the date, and then a simple title related with the whole task. And the idea, for example, in this case, let's go to the last one, which is, for example, this one, as you can see here. So we have here all the information, where it started, decision logged, and what shipped, no? What else we have in this example? Key files for the next session, which is very important, running state. So I have all the information that I completed in that task, and which is very useful for the next step, no? And the idea, for example, this is the last one, no? And in this case, I have latest, which is the same. As you can see, if we go here, where it started, both of them are the same. The idea is when I execute session resume, it's going to execute this one, which is very useful. And also, I have here an index of all of them, and this is all the archive here I have. It's here in a bit more detail, and this is pretty important and pretty simple for if I want to find something easily, no? I have this index, and also this is not only useful just for resuming a session in several days, also is quite useful to create a proper documentation for the client. And here I have in order all the steps I was following from the beginning until the end, no? And that was my inspiration, no? Having like this for creating the documentation for the client, and also for me to creating this way of saving checkpoints. And then for me it was I can trust the system that I wasn't forgetting anything at all. So I was working for the last month with this system, and for my own experience, I found this system very, very useful.